Hello everybody, and welcome to this edition of the Honey-Do List channel. Today we're going to be doing another Gentleman's Box unboxing. This is one that I got in December 2019. Really, I'm not a drinker, so I really don't have any use for it. I never even really opened it up. I kind of opened it up and glanced at it and looked at it, and then just put it right back in the box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a review on it, and this is how it came. Came in a brown box. It says fragile, handle with care on 3 sides. Of course, you know, your shipping label and everything, but you can see it's wrapped. Okay, usually they don't have handle with care on them, so I was kind of, you know, wondering what it was. You open it up, and of course it's got the Gentleman box. You can see the light in there. Sorry about that. There's the light. There's one box, and then they have what's called Vintage Gentleman at the bottom. Okay, now I get them both boxes out, and I'll show you. This one, like I said, has the ghost lettering on it, like all the boxes. And that was the top box, and then Vintage Gentleman on that one. All right, so we're gonna open the top box first. You open it up. Quite a nice little variety of stuff in here. First thing I see is 4. Let me get there where you can see it. 4 leather coasters. 4 leather coasters. Let's open them up. Kind of neat little leather coasters. They say Sanctuary Genuine Leather on. Yeah, and they smell like genuine leather. Okay, silicone ice spear molds. Doesn't say who they're made by. Dishwasher safe silicone ice mold. We'll open that up real quick. And what it is, it's you know, it's going to make, I guess, yeah, you would open it up. And the lighting's not the greatest in here. It just makes a little round silicone ice. All right, that was second item. Third item is Speakeasy Edition. And it just kind of tells you about everything that comes in the box. And it just tells you everything that came in the box and a couple of recipes for making mixed drinks. Okay, and then the last item in this box, it looks like, is in this box. It says Happy Days 7-piece cocktail set. Okay, so we'll open that up. Okay, let's see what all is in here. There's more stuff. Okay. First of all, it comes with a, looks like a 1 ounce and 1/2. I mean, I used 10 bar, so a 1 ounce and a 1/2 ounce pour cup or shot cup, what they call them, and a shaker. Everybody needs a good shaker. Comes with a bottle pour. It does have a vent right there. People that's tinted bar know that if you close that, hold it upside down, it'd be a 3 or 4 second, a 3 or 7 second pour for 1 ounce of whiskey. Has a long, really nice twisted handle stir spoon. It has a strainer for when you strain the whiskey out of the shaker to save the ice in the shaker. Ice cube, a metal ice cube tongs, and I don't know if y'all know what this is. This is a like a grinder for like making mint juliennes. When you grind the mint, that's what that is. A grinder on a nice little handle, so you can grind it down. Leave this out of the way. So far that's what we have. This came in here. Let's kind of set this up where y'all can see it at the end. Alright. And then we're going to find out what's in this next box right here. And the long stir. Okay. Set that up there. I'm going to try to get a picture of it once it's all unboxed. This box is magnetic. It has an actual magnetic closure on it. So we're going to tilt it. See if y'all can see what's in there. It is like kind of like silk lined, I guess, form molded for it. It comes with 4 crystal highball glasses. Really nice. It comes with a 1/5, because that'll hold a 5th of liquor or your favorite beverage. Decanter. And like I said, it came with the 4 glasses, and you can see now that I've got a couple out, you see that it's form molded with like this little silk right here. All in all, it's a really nice kit. Probably would cost more than the $100, $99 every 4 months. Like I have said in the other videos, it's $44 every 4 months. You get a gentleman's box. This is the premium. Now they do have one that's a little bit more expensive, and they also have a monthly. I think their monthly runs, don't hold me to this, it's either $19.99 or $29.99 every month, and they'll send you a box. And it probably will not be as high quality as the premium box, and like I said, they make a box that's higher. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep this video short. Hope that you enjoyed it. Until next time, let's just stay safe, and let's work on them honey-do lists together, and have a great day.